Good morning, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It. Let me turn the TV down here. Today it is Saturday, December 15th. It is Shemodern Saturday, Christmas edition. I am going to be working with some Winterberry water decals. She has come out with, I think, 6 or 7 new decals that have 2 different colors on them. You get to pick the 2 colors from what she has. I picked Hollow and the red for the Winterberries. And also, I have a surprise. I now have a water-based top coat that Tina from Shemodern sent me. I greatly appreciate this. My Hollows appreciate this. So we'll be using that today. On my nails already, I have this beautiful green, but we'll back up, as always. My base coat from Sinful, first in line. This beautiful green is called Dress Y, by Kiss Gel-like nail color. I love this. It's a beautiful, beautiful color. It's opaque in one color. You can do 2 coats if you want, which I did do, just in case. And as always, I always do 2 coats no matter what. So I've already cut my decal out and trimmed it. I took my scissors and put 4 slits around the decal. My nail is not flat, it is curved. So to help my curved nail out and help the decal out so that it does adhere curved to my nail, I cut slits around it. Got my little water bottle. Put some water on top of my decal. It doesn't take very long for this to separate. I have my tweezers out. And my tissue. Pumpkin turned me on to this. I was using a cotton ball, which the decal would stick to. I tried a paper towel, and I think it was stuck to that as well. I can't remember. Tissue does work, Kleenex, whatever you want to call it, does work the best. I haven't top coated my nails yet, so all the shine that you see is from the polish itself. It is really super pretty. I did try this out on 4 different colors. Let me slide this off to the side. This one here is the color I have on, so you can see there how it's going to look. This is my different Christmas green. I didn't do it on that one. I tried it on white. Tried it on this is 3 coats. This is Sally Hansen's. I don't remember. It was the hardest nails. I don't remember the name of the color, and I don't still have it out. Then I also tried it on gold. I liked it, but I like the green better. I always swatch out my designs of what I'm going to do first so I know how they're going to look, which is a good rule of thumb to do. That way there's no surprises when you do them. My decal is ready. My winter berries. Whoops. I dropped it. Ah. Having a hard time here this morning. Get your tissue. Dab it down. Flatten it out over your nail. Dab the water out of it. Oh, I'm sorry if I wasn't in frame. Press down with your tissue. Adhere it to your nail. Press the water out of it. And there you go. I think this is super, super, super cute. Pretty elegant looking for Christmas time. The winter berries in the 2 different colors. I do love this. I love that Tina came out with 6 or 7 designs. There is, oh my gosh, there's a snowflake that I have. It is hollow, and it looks like periwinkle, but it's purple, I think. Could be blue. I don't know if you can see, but these are just so, so pretty. So pretty. There's those. There's a couple different ornaments, I think. I think the wreath. Can't remember what else. I do want them all. Tina's got it at Shemodern.com. They have a sale going on right now until January 3rd. 50% off everything on the website. And that's a lot of stuff. Your decals come in 17 different colors. You have a wide variety to pick from. You name it, that color is there. So it's really exciting. There's nothing like a sale. And now is the time to go buy your Shemodern products. You can, get them at 50% off. What more can you say? Hope you liked my video. Give it a thumbs up, please. If you haven't already subscribed, please do, and click the bell down below so you get notified of all future videos. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. I think this is super cute. God bless. Thank you. This is Cherie again. Most importantly, I forgot to put my top coat on. I was too busy jacking my jaw, bumping my gums. I forgot my water-based top coat. Once down the center, once down each side, back down the center again. Cap your nails. I had to come back. I had to do that on camera. The rest of my nails, I'm going to use my Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. I really like this. It's not as thick as Sesh Feet. This big bottle lasts a lot longer. It's more reasonably priced for this big bottle. I like it. I like it a lot. Cap your nails. Whoops. Can't forget that one. Now, as I was saying before, please click subscribe, click the bell, leave me a comment down below, and give this video a thumbs up, please. I hope you enjoyed this now that I've top coated, and I have hollow. Have a blessed day. Thank you.